Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. It's been a while since I uploaded a video, but guys, I apologize for that. I was busy with some projects now, but now I'm back. I'm fully back, and I will be uploading video back to back. And in today's video, I'll be doing a weekly forecast of some of the pairs that I'm having interest in buying and selling, so that maybe you could also add that to your watch list, and also you could learn from it the strategies that I'm using to see this market and to predict the direction of the market. So without much said, let's get straight into it. So the first one that I'm looking at right now is AUD USD. AUD USD. So for AUD USD, let's go to the daily time frame and see the overall bias of the market. All right, let's go to the daily to see the overall bias of the market. So as we can see here right now, daily weekly is telling us bullish, daily is also telling us bullish. And remember, if you don't know how to determine these directions, go back and watch my videos on market structure. As you can see, this structure has been broken to the upside by this low. So until this low is broken, we are bullish on a daily time frame. All right. So keep in mind that. Okay, now this is the higher time frame. Mostly when you do the analysis from the higher time, market is likely to go in direction with the higher time frame than the smaller time frame. So what I want you to do right now is understand that this right now is bullish, even though the market is selling. As we can see, daily candles are bearish. Structure wise, market is telling us it's bullish. Okay, so until we broke and a candle closes below this one, then we say the market is bearish. All right, so that is it on the daily time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour and see what is happening on the 4 hour, right? So on the 4 hour, we can see the market is bearish, right? Market is bearish. As you can see, market created a double top or ugly head and shoulders. You can see left shoulder, head, right shoulder, broken the neckline, retested. Okay, so at this point, that was when I took a reversal entry. All right, though the market was bullish, I took a reversal entry because market has been buying all the way from down here up to the top, right? So at this psychological level, since we this bullish candle daily, if I go back to daily, you see that it's a daily engulfing candle. As you can see, this one it was the one that gave me a confidence to carry the reversal. All right, that is why it's good to do the analysis from the higher time frame all the way to the lower time frame. All right, so let's go back to the 4 hour. As you can see, I go in as this structure got broken. See, this one got broken to the upside. All of a sudden, we changed direction by structure to the downside. All right, so it was a risky trade because overall direction of the market was bullish, but looking at this psychological level and the daily engulfing candle and the 4 hour head and shoulder pattern, I entered on this 4 hour engulfing candle too. And I sold this market, I was selling this market all the way to this psychological level. Okay, as you can see, this is also a daily support level that marked out this level. As you can see here, that is what is showing on the 4 hour, right? So that is why I was expecting market to reverse, right? I was expecting market to reverse over here, but by Friday market closes here when I took my TP. So Sunday in the night, remember I'm in Ghana, depending on your location, Sunday in the night market open and this thing happened. And all of a sudden, before I wake up, come to the chat, I saw this bearish engulfing candle by 5 a.m. And I was like, wow, wow, meaning we are going to shoot all the way to the downside again, right? But I didn't take that trade. I went on looking for other pairs, right? So this week, what I'm expecting this market to do is that since we are in a bullish market by daily and weekly, I'm expecting this market to reverse and start buying all the way from here, all right? Why have I marked this area as my area of interest? As you can see on the one daily time frame, the last bearish candle, right? The last bearish candle that causes this big move to break this structure was this one, all right? was this one. And when I go to the 4 hour, because this market is going to probably respect this for a daily bearish candle. At times people call this as demand and supply or order block or whatever, but you just have to understand that this is the last bearish candle before this structure got broken. So market will probably come and respect it, or all the way come to respect the lowest amount or before buying. All right, so still market is bullish on daily. 4 hour is bearish. All right, 4 hour is bearish. So how do we enter this market right now? So I'm expecting that this market to come to touch this region. All right, enter this zone. Let's look at the 1 hour. What is happening on the 1 hour? Right, so on the 1 hour we can see that market is approaching this zone slowly. So you do not just enter by saying that the market has come to the area of interest, you just jump into this market. No, what I'm expecting is that if market approaches, I want to see a change in direction of the market on either the 15 minute or the 1 hour. All right, 15 minute, 30 minute, or 1 hour. Right, that is what I want to see. I want to see change in direction of market. It's something like this. Let me just do it for you to see. See, as it is coming, I want to shoot something like this. All right, then creating something like this. Okay, creating something like this, something like this. This is what I want to say. So the first one would have tap into the zone like this, right? The first one would have tap into the zone. Okay, probably coming to test this resistance level, coming back to hit this place, creating equal bottom. All right, even if not equal bottom, at an engulfing candle, or I want to see a candle, this structure broken, coming back to retest this place. Then I'm looking for the buy, either on the 15 minute or on the 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, that is when I want to say that. All right, I want to say change in direction from the 15 minutes or the 30 minutes or 1 hour before I go into for a buy. And remember, I have to see an engulfing candle as my entry signal before buying. All right, so let's look at some other pairs that I'm looking at. So I'm expecting a buy. If this buy happens and we get to this zone, remember on the 4 hour, this is a very strong zone here, that a daily resistance level right here. So you could see, you could predict a rejection right here. Okay, market could probably come and reject, creating left shoulder head and right shoulder, then selling. All right, then selling. So market could probably do something like this. So this buy is a short-term buy for me, because that's why my TP is somewhere here. So it could happen something like this, creating something like this, then selling. All right, or it could happen that this market will go all the way from this low. Sorry, it could happen that market will come from this low, or they will break this, come for a retest, then we go for another buy. But what I'm seeing is that a potential head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. All right, since market has not respected by buying from here, we broke it to the downside. When going up, market could probably respect it for a sell, which will form what, a head and shoulder pattern on the daily time frame, right? So you should be looking out for that one as well during the week or the month. Anything can happen, right? So remember to trade cautiously. And the next one that I'm looking at is card JPY. All right, as you can see, card JPY, that is what I'm looking at. We've created a double bottom right here, right? Created a double bottom. First, we created this low, we went up all the way, and we broke this low, creating this new low caused by this one. We went up, we broke it. So as you can see, the daily is bullish. Daily right now is bullish. Okay, so what do you know? Market is bullish, right? Let's go to the 4 hour to see what is happening on the 4 hour. See, 4 hour is also bullish. As you can see, it's creating a higher high. Okay, let me stand it well for you to see. As you can see, we created a double bottom right here and we went up. Actually, I took a trade from here, right? This one I took this trade and I deleted this one because I marked out this zone, and since we broke this structure, I was looking for a buy here, but I didn't get it. So there was a news that pushed all the way to the down here, and I took a buy, but I took my take profit somewhere here when I saw this rejection, right? So as you can see, we are creating a higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. So right now, we are having a pullback. It's possible that we could drop all the way to somewhere this psychological level to confirm or to retest this demand that caused the this other block that caused the break of this structure, or we could respect this one and push all the way to this zone before selling, right? So that is it on the 4 hour. 4 hour is also bullish. Then we look at 1 hour and see what is happening on the 1 hour. All right, so this one I was looking for an entry on the 15 minutes time frame to scalp these stop losses. I was looking for an entry. I put my this in there, but I didn't enter. As you can see, I didn't enter this trade. I was looking for an entry. I will show you on the 15 minutes what I was looking for. All right, so this is the 1 hour time frame where I marked this down to the last demand zone where market came to enter. And this one I took this trade. The reason why I took this trade is that I was supposed to take the trade from the bottom right here from the zone, but I did not see my entry confirmation. Let me go to the 30 minutes for you to see. I did not see my entry confirmation in the zone. I saw it here at this engulfing candle. So when this engulfing candle happened, that is when I hot I waited for the next candle to pull back a little bit. That is when I entered. Okay, so I'm still holding this trade as I'm doing this video. I'm still expecting that this market to push all the way to the top here, right here, to fill this gap here, imbalance that is right there. So this trade, I may probably be taking this trade on the 15 minutes. Okay, what I want to see is I want to see an engulfing candle from here, right? I want to see an engulfing candle on the what? This 50 EMA. I want to see an engulfing candle right here. So I was expecting market to probably come to this resistance level, right? At this support level. As you can see, it is doing right now. I want to see market to come to tap to this zone and give me an engulfing candle. Remember, the engulfing candle will not just form here. It will come test it and to form something like this, just like it happened over here. That is why I put this thing over here. All right, so risking 30 pip, that's my expectation, but I've not seen the engulfing candle, so I wait. Either I see the engulfing candle and I take it, or I decide not to take it and hold only this one for the day until tomorrow probably, or for the whole week, to see how market is probably going to play out. The same thing apply to Usdjpy and USD So let me talk about Usdjpy first. As we can see, Usdjpy has also what, broken a structure. We can see here. So I'm expecting a test in this zone, but this one I've taken a trade on the 15-minute time frame, because as you can see, the 4 hour too is bullish. I don't want this video to be long, that is why it's look like I'm kind of rushing a bit. All right, so as you can see, I took some trades along the line with this, and right here I caught this NFP this last Friday, and it was very sweet. It was very sweet. That one was very sweet. So I'm expecting this market to pull all the way to this support zone here, but it's kind of rejecting along the way. But I'm scalping this market. I'm scalping this market on the 15 minutes, right? But I'm trying to hold it a little bit. If it goes in my direction, I'll hold it. But if I see a reason to get out of it, I'll get out of it. But my overall expectation is to come to this zone, right? Test this zone at this psychological level for a buy. All right, for a buy to this blue line here before coming to test our trend line. All right. So that is it on USDJPY as well. And also, as you can see, USD we've been in a consolidation for a while. We've been in a consolidation for a while, and now we broke out, right? We broke out of the consolidation and market has come out. That's my expectation. Market should come back for a retest for buy position, and it's kind of show me that that is what is happening. As you can see, I took this trade. The reason why this one too did not overall come to my zone as expected, but as seeing this rejection and looking at this one, if I should move my this thing up to test this zone right here, you could see that market is respecting, okay, market is respecting this zone right here, this support zone right here. And when you go to the 1 hour, it has given me an engulfing candle. All right, it has given me an engulfing candle. That was on 30 minutes. I took this trade on 30 minutes. I was impatient a little bit, So the reason why I entered is that it has given an engulfing candle here, but I did not enter. That was somewhere midnight, somewhere. I wasn't awake by then. So I was watching this market, but based on this, it is not breaking this low as well. It is rejecting. That is when I entered. I entered after 1 hour, 2 hours. Then I saw the engulfing candle. That is when I added another position. So this trade is currently running at 36 pip, right? 36 pip, and I'm risking 29 pip to make some pips right here. So I may probably be closing at 1:2 at this psychological level, right? Because I'm expecting this market to drop all the way to this zone. Okay, this zone when I where I put my distance first, my zone first, somewhere here, right? Expecting the market to come all the way here before buying, but it has started buying already. So guys, that is it about this week analysis, and that is USD CHF, USD JPY, CAD JPY, and AUD USD. So guys, before you take any trade, remember to do your analysis as well. Make sure that the trade meets your intro criteria before you take them. And remember, all these trades that I've lined up over here, you could see that the daily is telling me that it is bullish, the 4 hour is in line. So the remaining hours, that is the remaining lower time frame, those are the ones that I'm waiting for them to also give me the same direction before I buy. So that is what you want to be doing in the market. Even if you're scalping, make sure you take it from the higher time frame, then you look for what entry on the lower time frame. So guys, that's it for today's video. I'll do another video where I'll be talking about money management. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you